In the comments of my last video, some asked for a rematch just with more Stronghold, so let's try with 10,000 Stronghold. And of course it's still the same positions. If it puts 10,000 Stronghold, now Frederick will not die so soon. Maybe after that I will do another rematch, maybe with 40,000 Stronghold. But yeah, in general, the starting duel makes a huge difference. Especially for stronger lords who need more time to develop. And yeah, already Frederick won't die so fast and he's attacking now. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, Marshall gets a lot of pressure. He's getting attacked from Pig and Frederick, from Pig and Wolf. Okay, and Philipp's knights are out there.
A message from the rat.
Okay, it could be that Red will not survive Frederick's attack. And also, the ABBOT is coming. I guess this will be over for the red. Maybe not. Okay, red barely survived.
A message from the rat.
Interesting that every lord just attacked the red.
A message from the rat. A message
Okay, attack from Wolf.
One more bites the dust, eh? What?
And this could be dangerous for the Marshal now. Okay, also Pig is attacking. I guess Marshal will not survive both attacks. And Albert is attacking the Snake. I'm afraid Snake will not survive for very long if everyone will now attack the Snake. Yeah, everyone is teaming up against the Snake. Let's see if...
A message from the snake.
Yeah, there's no way Snake can survive all of this.
A message from the snake.
Okay, Wolf's troops are in the castle.
A message from the abbot. I am slowly but surely going to leave this land. A message from the marshal. Things are going a bit.
Oh, they could have killed the king. Okay, Marshal very closely survived.
A message from the marshal.
Okay, Pig killed him. So now it's 3 versus 2.
A message from the pig.
No business. Everyone dies.
Let's see if Abel still has so much gold. And yeah, he's the only one who basically has gold right now. Okay, Wolf is attacking. So if it's not reached troop limit, which is dangerous. And Frederick is coming too. Especially with Abbot's board reserves, you can just after the attack immediately recruit new troops. I think that last game, like Philipp's Knights, were always destroying Wolf's economy. So let's see if this time the same will happen. Abbot immediately with his next attack. But I like that the pick has a lot of crossbowmen on his towers. And yeah, maybe next an attack from the pick or from Philip will happen. I'm actually also thinking about just doing a rematch with the normal vanilla AS. Because with vanilla, like Abbot and Philip are not recruiting Sword Fighters or Pikemen. We can move it from the pick. And he uses the ladders. Okay, I have it 260 troops, Frederick 200. Wolf only 200. I guess this team kind of dominates again, to be honest. Okay, now after Pix attack he isn't that strong. So it could be dangerous. And he is in the castle. And now Philip and Frederick are both coming. Okay, they're in the castle. The Boomers are really pressuring the Wolf. And if he doesn't come to attack, I think in the long term, Pick definitely has no chance to win against the Abbot. Especially because of his gold reserves, and he will just constantly attack again. And yeah, okay, now the Knights also attacking the economic buildings. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut with the next attack now. Okay, another attack from ABBOT, and he has over 400 troops, FREDERICK only has 200. And also Wolf's economy is definitely suffering because of the Knight's attacks. So he cannot really fully build his strength. And ABBOT is already in the castle. Yeah, I think this is too much for the pick. Well, maybe not. And the next Frederick pick. And he's already in the castle. And Wolf's economy is even more suffering. Yeah, to be honest, Wolf just gets too much pressure and because like both Frederick and Philip are attacking him. And his economy is basically very much suffering. And I don't think he has a chance against the ABBOT. And Wolf also has no money. So yeah, I will cut to the next attack again. In the meantime, Wolf's economy is almost non-existent. And Abby has an insane amount of gold. Oh, these are fellas coming from there. I don't know why they walked this way. Okay, the castle's open. Let's see what ABBOT is doing. It's still mostly just gets more gold. Okay, good attack from Pig. I mean, yeah, if ABBOT just focuses on getting more gold, he gives Pig a chance to attack. I mean, this deadline can be effective. Like 60,000 gold in this scenario. I don't know why. Okay, I guess Frederick will just soon attack again. And in the long term, Wolf cannot hold this anymore. And yeah, no, his economy again is just basically not there. Doesn't even have the money to rebuild his tower. And the knights are just coming into the castle. $70,000 gold. Why not, ABBOT? Why not? Okay, maybe from Philipp who will soon also attack soon. And here it is. And from Frederick. There are good chances that Wolf will not survive this now.
A message from the wolf.
I will not kneel before you.
A message from King Philip. Prepare the feast. Our armies triumph again.
Oh, okay. Next attack.
A message from the pig.
What's wrong? What's happening to me?
Ja, der hat just way too many sword fighters hier.
A message from the pig. A message from Emperor Frederick.
The Empire claims another. So the story unfolds.
Okay, and I think I will do another rematch with the normal vanilla ice